Hey folks, I'm here with my 18-volt battery-powered Ryobi weed eater. I'm going to show you how to replace the string when you run out. First thing to do, remove the battery just so nothing stupid happens. There you go. Next step is to get to the head here, and there's two tabs, a white button here, a white button here, either with two fingers, two hands, or one hand. Push both those in at the same time, and then you can pull out the head, or this cap, and then there's this black cap here, and if you have some string left in there, you'll just want to pull that out. The next step is to take about 9 feet of replacement string, and the string that you need is 0.065 inch diameter. It can be round or twisted. Round means looking at the end of the string, it's just a perfectly round circle. Twisted, it looks like it's a braided piece. With your 9 feet of string approximately, there's a little groove in here that's actually got a hole that you're going to take the end of your string and push it in that hole, and you may be able to see it in there that it goes in, and just push it in there a couple of inches, and you can see it wants to come out there. So that's long enough. And then on the top of this spool, in the opposite direction basically of how that string went in there, I put it in there. The spool has arrows on it. We're going to wrap it around that way. And just put nice even layers on there all the way around. And once I fill that first layer, just start going back over the top. It's good if you pull the layers together a little bit. And then just keep winding till you have all 9 feet wound on there. The more neatly you wrap it around the spool, it will come out more smoothly and not get hung up. But now that you've got that wound, you want to keep it tugged a little bit, and then the larger hole in the bottom of the spool is going to have to go up on that shaft inside there, but you need to get the string through the hole in the weed eater head here first. So I got the string coming through the hole. Then I'm going to put the spool back on there. I'm just going to tug on that string a little bit. And with that in place, I'll take this white cap, line up the two tabs with the holes that I pressed earlier. Oh gee. And if I wasn't filming a video, I could do this a little bit more easily. And press that till this white cap clips in there. You can see that the string is longer than the cutoff blade right here. You can either take some pliers and cut it like I'll do, or when I put the battery back in, it'll cut itself. I've got the battery back in this thing, and it's running perfectly again. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.